Hi guys, good morning. Okay, welcome back to a new vlog, guys. Yeah, this is a new vlog. Um, yeah, should I make this just a vlog on its own? I think I should because I want to vlog the next 6 to 7 days separately. But anyways, that's by the way, guys. The reason why I started this vlog is because, guys, this is the shortest notice I've ever gotten to resume set ever. Yeah, guys, it happens, and they apologize. It's not actually their fault, like situations and all of that. So it's understandable. Anyways, but yeah, I'm not prepared. I'm not prepared. Forget this laugh that I'm laughing. The laugh is not reaching my stomach. Like I'm so tensed. So tensed. I'm all over the place. Like my mind is just doing a lot of calculations at this point. Hope you guys can hear me though, because I'm talking on this hush tone because it's still early. Um, yeah, guys, I had to make sure I woke up early today. I usually wake up early, like when my brother is about to leave for school, but then I go back to sleep. But today I was like, no, because I was like, oh, I have a lot to do, basically. Anyways, let me just list out the things I have to do so you guys understand. Okay, so I need to pack my clothes, pack my makeup. Um, I also need to wash my makeup brushes. Even though like majority of them are clean, but I would still like to wash. I would still like to wash everything again. And what else? Guys, I have a shoot today at Tech Media. This shoot I should have done last week Monday. Uh, but I don't know. I don't know the spirit. Anyways, I was not like in the whole mental space to be creating content that very day. I don't know why. Well, yes, I pushed it to this Monday. I don't want to disappoint them because if I cancel now, it's just going to fall in November, and I don't want that. So I'll just try. I don't want to spend anything more than 2 hours at the studio today. I'm going to miss my people within this short period of time of like kind of like form this little unit like family kind of. So I'm gonna miss them even if it's just for like 6 days. But anyways, yeah, I need to go for that shoot, and then the one that is even making me more stressed is the fact that I need to do my hair, guys. I need to do my hair, guys. I need to retouch, and I also need to braid. And I'm doing all these things myself because why not? You guys already know. Aside that, guys, braiding outside is quite expensive. But anyways, I have an attachment I've gotten. Maybe this will be like the fourth month or something that I've gotten the attachment. Maybe 2 months now. So yeah, I need to retouch my. I have to touch the shape before I braid it. If not, it will not even last. So and I want the braids to be long, long, because it's going to be big. Anyways, let me just see. I'll just do something light because the makeup I was planning to do today was, game. But I have to do something light because I don't have the time. I don't have 1 hour to spend doing makeup. Nah. So I have to do sharp 20-30 minutes makeup, even 15 minutes makeup and get out. Then what else? Guys, I'm in the studio. Let me go out because of copyright.
For the content creator.
Let me go out because of copyright. So, look at this beauty. Anyways, guys, I'm in the studio. As you can see, I'm looking a bit brighter now than when you guys last saw me, and a bit you know, more prettier than the last clip you guys saw. You guys look at the 30 minutes makeup I did. Like, yeah, I don't even know how the eyeshadow looks like. Okay, the brows I didn't even conceal it. I just put it in, and when I was coming, guys, people were just looking at me because I had my wig in my hand, I had my belt in my hand. What else? Yeah, my bag, then the nylon I put my shoe and my food because I didn't eat at home because I was just rushing. I think I knew they were waiting for me. When I got here, the photographers, Jessie, Ify, were all waiting. So yeah, I told them I have 1 hour. But guys, when I'm with these people, I lose track of time because just keep creating and all. But anyways, let me try and show you guys my full outfit. I think I've worn this thing before. Have I don't know, but yeah, I've actually worn it, but I don't know if I've posted any content with it. So yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like. Letting B go B, eh? Hi guys. Hi, good afternoon. I'm finally back home, as you all can see. When I was leaving, they were like, so we're not going to be seeing you for the next 6 days, and I was like, yeah. And then they were like, we're going to miss you, and I was like, I'm going to miss you all, like I mentioned before to you guys. Anyways guys, tell me why I left the studio at about, I would say, past 1, like maybe 1:40 something or so. But then I went to get I stopped by the supermarket very close to the studio, and then I went to get this, yeah, roll-on deodorant. Yeah, old one is finished, so I figured this won't last me while I'm there, so I went to get a new one. I wanted to get the pink one because I wanted a different scent, but they didn't have that, so I didn't want to go to another supermarket. Like I said guys, I'm in a tight corner for time today, and I'm trying to crunch as much as I can, of which I'm still waiting for updates. But anyways guys, that's how one idiot wanted to spoil my day. Hey, I've never seen this type of thing before. Hey god, that's how my voice is like this guys. But anyways, as you guys know, nothing. It takes a lot to rain on my parade. Like it takes a lot. Okay, okay. So after I have been celebrating my little wins, okay, the little wins I'm talking about is on my, will I say last video? No, okay, I just uploaded a video today, this afternoon, this morning. I uploaded a video shot today. That's the gardening, how I maintain my garden and everything. But the video before that one, hey, you guys went all out for me. Like, I don't even know how the video is trending. So I don't even know, Sha. I don't know why it's trending. If you ask me, I don't know. As at this afternoon, when I posted on my WhatsApp, it was 812 views. And the last time I checked on Friday, it was like 4 views. When I posted it in for a whole day, it was like 1 view. Hey, God. Hey. I was like, anyhow, I know what, I'm used to the 4 views that I used to get. I just opened it, I'm like, first of all, I saw 330 subscribers. I was like, what's happening? I was like, maybe because I share, maybe finally one person out of my contact list have decided to subscribe, at least, maybe, or 2 people or something. But after uploading, and I went to look at the views, I was like, wait, wait, someone pass me my glasses, please, because I'm not understanding. I was so overjoyed. I had to go post it, like guys are growing. Do you know what it means for a video to trend on its own? Nah, I don't know. This feels like a lot to me. So amazing. But now, guys, it's on to making my hair. You guys will see that in the next vlog. Should I just add it to this vlog? I don't know. So when you guys, my voice now, when you guys see it, oh my god, when you guys see, whenever you guys see that part up, you see it. But I know I want to include it in like the vlogs, and I also wanted to do like reels for Instagram, so I can like tag the hair brands. It's Lush Hair, hello Lush Hair, oh, hello Lush Hair. I'm fine like this. I'm on a Lush Hair beauty cocoa. Yeah, you want to go. Anyways, guys, oh my god, so many updates, guys. I also retouched my hair, but the retouch did not retouch. Like, see, my hair is still strong. I don't even know. The thing did not work. issues, guys. Yeah, let me just end this vlog because it's already too long, my talk and I think. So thank you all so much for watching today's vlog. If you are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and join this amazing community that I'm trying to build. You guys, it's fun here. We're all about fun vibes. Never kill your vibe, okay, for nobody. Don't let nobody, nothing kill your vibe. Do your vibe, okay? Always shine. And yeah, guys, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, shoot me a DM, all of that good stuff, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Bye.